In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Word documents in Canva. If you have a Word file that you'd like to refresh with Canva's design tools, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. Start on your Canva homepage and click the Create a Design button. In the editor, look to the left panel and open the Upload tab, then upload your Word file from your computer. If it's easier, you can also drag and drop the document straight onto the Canva homepage and it will upload automatically. Either way, once the upload finishes, your file will appear in your projects area. Head to Projects, find the thumbnail of your document, and click it to open the file in the Canva editor. Canva will convert your Word document into editable blocks. This means your headings, paragraphs, and other elements become separate objects you can click and customize. Take a moment to scan through the pages and make sure everything looks close to what you expect. Complex layouts may shift slightly during import, so a quick review helps you catch anything that needs tweaking. To edit text, click any text box and start typing to update the wording. You can change fonts and colors using the toolbar at the top, adjust size, line spacing, and alignment, and apply styles to keep your document consistent. If a font from Word isn't available in Canva, the system will substitute it with a similar option. If that happens, pick a close match that maintains your brand or the tone of your document. For layout changes, select and move elements to refine spacing and hierarchy. You can add images directly from Canva's library by searching in the left panel, or bring in your own images through the Uploads tab. Need more structure or data? Insert tables and charts to present information clearly. As you work, keep an eye on margins and readability so your document remains neat and professional. When you're happy with your edits, it's time to save and export. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then choose Download. From the File Type drop-down, select Microsoft Word.Docx if you want to keep editing in Word or share a file that collaborators can modify. If you're ready to share a clean, view-only version, choose PDF Standard. Finally, click Download, and the file will save to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.